Henry, tell me, what does evaporate mean?
It means the sun touches the water and the water evaporates to the sky, and it takes a couple days to make rain. Then when the clouds get full after a couple days, it will pour and make rain like April showers. So when the rain comes down pouring, sometimes if you hear a couple rumbles, if you see something forming, maybe, turn on the TV. If your TV's not working, go look on the computer. If your computer's not working, go in your car and see what is going on if you have a TV in your car. Or in the basement. Basement's TV work because there's wires in the wall that the wall in the basement work. Instead of the floors breaking upstairs, you can't go upstairs. You can't go near windows.
Well, tell me about what you learned about the weather today at school.
We learned about weather, tornadoes, lightning, how water evaporates.
And how does lightning come? How do we get lightning?
Someone taught me this, and it was Dad, and he told me lightning controls. Lightning goes faster, like you see a flash, then thunder controls like the thunder and the lightning. The lightning goes faster than the thunder. The thunder goes slower than the lightning. So instead of the lightning going slow, and instead of the thunder going fast, like quickly, the lightning will do slowly. Then the lightning, pretend this was the lightning. So the lightning can do this very quick and go back into the clouds. It comes out a little, like goes back into the clouds. It's like a little pencil, but it makes it like big flash. It's like God, like bowling. Then when the pins knock down, it makes a big roar. Like, do you hear that sound when the huge heavy ball, like really heavy, and it knocks the pins down like that? How loud thunder or lightning could be. So the lightning controls thunder. Instead of the thunder going fast, the lightning will go slow, but the thunder has to go slow instead of the lightning going slow. So the weather changed a little. So if it changes again, if your power doesn't work, like, call the weather station.
For what?
In case you have violent weather coming towards you.
What's violent weather?
Violent weather is really bad storms. Maybe it could cause a tornado. Maybe it could cause like a thunderstorm, lightning, like lightning touching the ground. Maybe hail. Maybe really hard rain. Maybe like baseballs falling from the sky. Like the hail gets bigger until it's a baseball.
What's hail?
Hail is a very tough thing that it cannot even break, and it can break a glass, like bang really hard.
But what's it made out of?
It's made out of what's it made out of?
Ice.
It's made out of ice, and hail makes dark clouds. If you see something forming and if you see something forming on the power lines, do not go outside near the power lines, or else the power lines will fall down and like hit your head. Maybe it'll hurt, and maybe if you see a black cloud, bumpy clouds, if you see dark black and gray clouds, and first if you have heavy rain, if you have heavy rain over here, if you have heavy hail over here, and here's the hot air, so the hot air goes up and the cold air comes down. So the air bumps into each other and gets mad, so it makes dark clouds and something forms, and that's called a tornado. And when something forms, do not go near windows. Do not go near windows when there's a thunderstorm or a lightning storm.
Why?
Storm, because it's dangerous. If you do this, kaboom, you'll get struck by lightning.
Really? If you make that face, you're going to get struck by lightning?
Only if it touched the ground.
Oh, wow. That's scary. Well, thank you for your weather report, Henry.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. I want to watch it.